Good morning, students. Welcome back to ICT class. This is our video number 31 and we are continuing with the 6th chapter, Calc Software. So before moving on to today's session, let me remind you what we have discussed in our previous class.
In the last class, we have discussed about two another functions. One is autofilter function. It is used to arrange the data according to a particular range. And the second function was paste special function. It is used to copy and paste the data used by different functions. When we are using different function, we need to call the paste special function in order to copy and paste. Here is the answers of the questions which I have given in the previous class. Check whether your answer is correct.
So in today's session, we are moving to the end part of 6th chapter. Two activities are remaining to complete.
By the end of today's class, the learner will recognize about how to export a sheet in Calc software into PDF format and also to learn about how to protect a file in Calc software.
So let's start today's class with the last activity, how to export a sheet in Calc software.
We are moving to the end part of chapter 6. Two main activities are remaining. One is export as PDF option. In every chapters, after doing every works, we are exporting PDF because when we are exporting it into PDF, nobody can edit in that PDF, and also we can open that PDF file in every computers or every mobile phones without changing the data or the alignment. Otherwise, the alignment may get changed. So that we can export as PDF option. And next activity is we can protect our file. Okay, we can protect our file by giving password so that nobody can edit any details. They want to enter that password. So let's see these two activities. So here we can export it into PDF. But when you are doing an activity in Calc software, before going to export, click on File option, Print Preview. For what? Here, some data may not get displayed. For example, that categorization, warm climate and cool climate. Here it is not displayed. So if you are going to export it into PDF, only this much get exported. So here you can decrease the margin size so that you can see the corresponding details. Again, decrease the margin size. Here you can see every data. Then click on Close Preview. After that you can export. File, Export as PDF option, or you can save. The extension of this Calc software is ODS. Either you can save. While you save this document, it will be get opened in Calc software itself, or you can export as PDF option. Then click on Export button. Here enter the file name and select the folder. I am selecting desktop. I have entered the file name as temp. Then click on Save button. So here you can see that file. Double click to open that file. You can see every details which got in PDF format. So this is the next activity, exporting PDF. It is very familiar for you. You know how to export a file into PDF. But while using Calc software, just go to File, Print Preview and see whether every details got displayed or not. Then next activity, which is the last and final activity in your textbook, 6.8. Let's protect the file. So how to protect the file? Go to Data Tools option. Then select Protect Sheet. Tools, Protect Sheet. So that they will ask you to enter the password. So I am going to enter a password. Then confirm password, which means re-enter that password. Okay. Here you can tick on any options. Select protected cell, select unprotected cell, then insert columns. While inserting column, they will ask you the password. Inserting row, while anyone is going to delete the column, they will ask the password, or delete rows. You can put a tick mark on any of the options, then click on OK. Then suppose I am going to enter a detail here. So what will happen? Protected cells cannot be modified, which means what? Nobody can edit or make any changes in your file, which means it is protected. Here I am going to enter a detail. So this corresponding option will appear. Protected cell may not be modified, which means your spreadsheet is protected with a password. You only know that password. Others cannot add any details or others cannot modify any details in this spreadsheet. How to remove that password? Again go to tools option. Again click on this protect sheet. Here you can see a tick mark on protect sheet option. Don't select protect spreadsheet. Protect sheet only. We only need to protect this particular sheet. So again click on this protect sheet option. Then add that password. Click on OK, which means unprotect sheet. We are going to remove that protect. So click on OK. Then we can add any details. See. So this is the last and final activity, protecting the sheet. Go to tools option. Take protect sheet option, enter the password and confirm that password so nobody can edit in your sheet. After protecting, if you want to unprotect your sheet, again go to tools option, select protect sheet, enter that password. So you will get unprotected. Okay, so this is the last activity in chapter 6. So chapter 6 is over. It is based on calc software. Such an easy chapter. You are deal with several functions, which means average function, round function, if function and lookup function. Then one facility called auto filter facility, paste special, etc. So this is the chapter 6.
Today we have discussed about the last and final topic in 6th chapter, which is exporting a sheet into PDF format. For that, first of all, arrange the paper format and then click on File, Export as PDF. Select the suitable folder, give a suitable file name and save it in that folder. And the last topic in this chapter was how to protect a sheet. For that, go to Tools menu, select Protect Sheet option and type the password in order to protect the sheet. Here comes an end to 6th chapter. 6th lesson is over. This was the last topic in 6th chapter.
Hope you all have understood about all the activities in LibreOffice Calc software. Here comes an end to 6th chapter. In the next class, we'll summarize the chapter and I'll do 2 examples related to Calc software. So that's all for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.